I'm today in front of my XIAOMI Redmi 10 and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Feeds on this device. So in my case, the Google Feeds are activated. So now just tap or press with your finger for a while on your home screen or to the another screen, that doesn't matter. For example, we'll go here and now you will see here the settings icon. Tap here and go now just to the more section, and here you can see the Google Discover. In our case, the Google Feeds are activated. We'll turn off this function now and we'll check that. Yes, can you see I just turned off the Google Feeds. If you want to turn it on, just repeat the action by the same way. Go to the settings, and now as can you see, we activated again this function. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.